Rahim. Here we are discussing dismissal of objection petition seeking cancellation of warrants of arrest issued against the attorney amounts to a final appealable order in terms of Section 14 of Family Courts Act 1964. Writ petition number 69574/20. Jabran Mustafa versus Judge Family Court, etc. Order sheet in the Lahore High Court, Lahore Judicial Department, writ petition number 69574 of 2020. Though this constitutional petition, the petitioner, who is the brother and was attorney of judgment debtor in the family suit filed by respondent number 2 to 5 degree holders, has called in arrest of judgment debtor at the request of the degree holder, respondent warrants of arrest of the present petitioner in execution proceeding of decree passed by the Judge Family Court have been issued, and the application of the petitioner for cancellation of warrants of arrest against him has been dismissed, and he has been summoned through non-bailable warrants to appear in said court on 4/1/2001, 4th January 2021. It is contended by learned counsel for the petitioner that as the petitioner was neither a judgment debtor nor stood as surety or guarantor for him, therefore issuance of warrant of his arrest initiating recovery proceeding against him were not justified. It is observed that it is not a case wherein warrants of arrest have been issued against the petitioner for this court to treat the same as in interlocutory order to look into the legality rather in the present case. Wide impugn order dated 9 December 2020, the learned executing court, while dismissing the petitioner's application for cancellation of warrants of arrest issued against him, has refused to recall its earlier order dated 21st October 2020 by application of its mind to the facts of the matter pending before it, and placing reliance on judgment of the Supreme Court reported as Muhammad Parvez versus Nabila Yasmin and two others, 2004 SCMR 1352, which in the opinion of this court is a decision given on the aforereferred application objection petition of the petitioner against execution of degree, hence amounts to a final decision. Therefore, the said order is appealable before the appellate court in terms of Section 14 of the Family Court Act 1964. Reliance in this behalf may also be placed on the judgment reported as Rahim Baksh versus Shahzadi and others 2018 CLC 1789, wherein it has been held that dismissal of an objection petition is an appealable order. As regards the question whether the facts of the petitioner case are distinguishable from the facts in the aforereferred reported case 2004 SMER 1352 is concerned, the same can be taken into consideration by the appellate court in case any appeal is filed before it. For what has been discussed above, in view of availability of alternate remedy, this petition is dismissed as premature and not maintainable. However, the petitioner, if advised, is at liberty to approach the appropriate form for redress of his grievance. दोस्तों, ये मैंने आपके सामने कंटेंशन जो भी थी पढ़ दी है और जजमेंट भी पढ़ दी है, और इसमें डिसमिसल ऑफ ऑब्जेक्शन पिटिशन सीकिंग कैंसिलेशन ऑफ वारंट ऑफ अरेस्ट इशू अगेंस्ट द अटॉर्नी अमाउंट्स टू अ फाइनल अपीलेबल ऑर्डर, के जो वारंट को जजमेंट डेटर के जो अटॉर्नी था उसके ख़िलाफ़ जो वारंट थे उसको कैंसिल कराने के लिए जो पिटिशन फाइल की गई थी उसको डिसमिस कर दिया गया और कहा गया है कि इसे प्रॉपर फोरम में लेके जाया जाए। ये मैंने आपके सामने उसका हाई कोर्ट का पूरा ऑर्डर पढ़ा है ताकि लॉ के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो इसको अच्छी तरह समझ सकें कि जनाब کہ دا پٹیشنر ہو از دا بردر اینڈ واز اٹارنی آف دا ججمنٹ ڈیٹر، یعنی کہ جو پٹیشنر ہے جو لے کر آیا ہے وہ ججمنٹ ڈیٹر جو ہے جس نے پیسے دینے ہیں غلام مرتضیٰ، اس کا بھائی ہے ایک فیملی سوٹ میں. He has called in question order dated 21/10/2020 whereby due to non-service of warrants of arrest of the judgment debtor at the request of the degree holders, warrants of arrest of the present petitioner in execution proceeding of degree. وہ اس کا اٹارنی تھا، اس کے بہاف پہ پیش ہو رہا تھا، تو اس کے خلاف جو ہے وہ وارنٹ جو ہے وہ جاری کر دیے گئے. اس کو کینسل کروانے کے لیے وہ صاحب ادھر آئے تو عدالت عالیہ نے ان کی پٹیشن خارج کر دی. انہوں نے کہا فار واٹ ہیز بین ڈسکس ان ویو آف اویلیبلٹی آف الٹرنیٹ ریمیڈی، ان کے پاس الٹرنیٹ ریمیڈی ہے، یہ جا کر اپیل کریں. As regards the question whether the facts of the petitioner case are distinguishable from the facts in the referred reported case is concerned, the same can be taken into consideration by the appellate court in case any appeal is filed before it. تو یہ ایک ججمنٹ تھی جو میں نے آپ کی خدمت میں پیش کی، ریٹ پٹیشن نمبر 69574 آف 2020. اجازت دیجیے، اللہ حافظ.